Boards are placed into the loading buffer. Lead-free solder paste is applied through a stencil to the metal pads where the components will be placed. Component placement consists of 2 machines in line, capable of placing 20,000 chips per hour. Pick and place machine number 1 places small parts. Pick and place machine number 2 places larger parts. A quick inspection is performed before the PCB enters the reflow oven. The reflow oven heats the boards up to the melting point of the solder paste, which forms the solder joints on all the components that were just placed. Surface mount components and solder joints are inspected by an automated optical inspection machine, called an AOI. Any errors called out by the AOI machine are reviewed by a trained expert. Through-hole parts are hand-stuffed before the boards are delivered to the wave solder machine. At the wave solder machine, boards are loaded into the finger conveyor. A clean agent called flux is applied to the board. 3 stages of preheat are used to activate the flux and prevent the parts from cracking when exposed to the molten solder wave. As the PCB passes over the molten solder wave, all exposed metal pads and leads are soldered. Once cooled, boards are cut into individual units. Long leads are clipped and boards are final inspected and delivered to the test department. Quality assurance runs each PCB through a functional test, verifying each board works as designed. Boards that pass testing are sent to final assembly where they are placed into their chassis. Finished products are then boxed and ready to ship.